Hey everyone, this is Prince Dubey. If you thought AI coding tools couldn't get any smarter, think again. Cursor just dropped the Cursor 2.0 and it's a massive leap forward for AI powered development. Let's quickly break down what's new comes up and why the developer like us should care about it, because we are utilizing the cursor from long time and we were very much excited and waiting for the new upgrade from a longer time. So cursor have dropped cursor 2.0 now, and what they are giving us, so basically they are providing two big things for us. One is the composer, the brand new brain for the cursor, and second one is the multi-agent workflow. If you don't wanted to go through this long document and blog that written by the cursor, I will comprise this whole stuff within the 2 minute of videos for you. So that's a good news. Now let's go through the one by one. So let's talk about the composer. Why the composer is very much hyped in the cursor 2.0 upgrade. So let's talk about in a little bit. So cursor's brand new frontier models, that is the composer, it is built just for coding. So you can understand, for any of the developer like us, it is very much a happier news, or I can say this is much exciting news that we got. There is a agent that specifically designed for the coding purpose. That's why it's become 4x faster, and it gives better context of understanding whenever we are working across the large repos. So let's say you are working on the production based any project that has the larger components. At that moment, this composer can very much helpful for us. Even it can complete the most of the prompts that we will provide within the 30 seconds of the time. So let's say earlier you have given a prompt, you have went for the dinner, whenever you will back, your task will be completed. Now it's time to go one by one and check what's the new things cursor have added in your overall the code. So this is how we are doing earlier. I do the same, but now till the doing the suited up, it will complete your tasks. So basically, because it's a 4x faster, it will take less time and it will complete within the 30 second even. So that's a basically huge jump of the cursor, and we are very much exciting to utilize it. I have initiated to utilize the composer as well. Here is the graphical representation, by the way. So you can see the composer have the good benchmarks over the speed token per second, actually, how much speed we can track by the token per second they utilize it. Okay, next is intelligence. So composer have a very much good intelligence as well. It has almost around 58 benchmark of that, and almost 240 benchmarks of the speed. So the second big update that we get from the cursor 2.0 is the multi-agent workflow. So let's suppose earlier you were working on any project, you have given the prompt there, it comprises of the backend and frontend both. So let's suppose you have given a command, create an API for registration or login for the any of the user, and then after implement the same API in the front end. So how it will do, it will go chronologically. It will first implement the backend, take that route, and then after implement the same in the front end, right? So this is how it will do. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes, even further of that, to implement the same. But now with the help of multi-agent workflow, what it will do, it will parallelly create a two agent. One agent can handle the backend stuff, one agent can handle the front end stuff. They will make a plan together and they will implement in less time. So it will be like a more efficient for us, and it will reduce a lot of time. And yeah, time is money for us as well, right? So this is how it will be very much useful for me as a personally. I can give it 100 by 100 of this update, right? I do like very much this one. So if you can see in the screenshot as well that they have dropped here, there is two agent working together. There is one composer, one is the GPT-5 codex, one is the sonnet. All three are working together, I think so. So that's a very much great. Apart from this, there is two more updates they have given us. One is the better code review and testing. Earlier we have the code review and testing as well, but that were not much efficient. So they have make it much more efficient than the previous one. So that's also good stuff. Apart from that, the fourth one, they have introduced the new agent that is mostly based on the UI centric. So a lot of developers have the complaint to the cursor they were not building the good UI stuff. Okay, so that's why they have upgraded it as well. So developers, they are listening your comments. Okay, that's a good stuff that we got. So yeah, this is the cursor 2.0 overall. It's not just update, it's a real step towards the, I think so, AI first development. Go try it out at cursor.com and tell me in the comments what features impress you the most. If you want a demo where I actually build up features with the cursor 2.0, drop the comment in the below. So this is the Prince Dubey, and keep building smart, and I will catch you on the next one. Till that, thank you so much, have a good day, and bye bye.